new Audi RS3 is a technical masterpiece. The German manufacturer has made the already legendary 5-cylinder even better on the new generation. The result is greater torque, greater pull and greater top speed, so let me give you some specs and figures. Under the bonnet you will find a high torque 2.5 TFSI 5-cylinder turbo engine with 400 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, which is a 20 Nm increase compared to the predecessor. Acceleration 3.8 seconds to reach 100, which is 0.3 seconds faster than its predecessor. Also, this is the best in class result. Top speed 250 km per hour electronically limited, optionally 280 km per hour or 290 km per hour with the RS Dynamic Package Plus. Once again, this is best in class. And for maximum fun, there is an RS torque splitter. Drive torque is actively and variably distributed between the rear wheels for maximum agility and stability. It ensures that the right amount of torque is optionally distributed along the rear axle, and if you want to have some fun on closed circuit, you can turn on the drift mode. Visually, the car looks aggressive thanks to the wider body design elements such as the massive front grille in gloss black, which goes very well in combination with this Camorra grey color. Body is lowered by 25 mm compared with the A3. One of my favorite things is of course the sound, so enjoy it.